Hi, I'm Amanda Schultz, and I'm here to demo the Fixle app for professional users. Let's get started. Let's add a home. Now you can use your current location if you happen to be on site. But if you are not on site and you want to preload the address, you can add the address like I'm doing here. I simply pasted it in. All right, now that that's done, let's go ahead and add an item. There are three ways to add an item. You can scan the data label. You can upload a photo by selecting a photo, or you can search for the model number manually. Now this is in my home and my water heater happens to have the label facing a wall a few inches away. So you can see it's a little difficult to figure out how to scan it. The OCR is always ready. So if you're not ready and it doesn't quite see it, just say scan again, hold still, and make sure that you get the model and the serial number in the window frame. And we also have developed a window that pulls down so you can see if this model number is accurate. You can see here there was an O instead of a 0. I went in and corrected that, and now it's correct, and I can add the item. So the water heater is in there, just double checking it. It's ready to go. We're going to add it to the home. Excellent. So now that we added it to the home, I'm going to add a photo. This is super simple. You can take a photo just standing there, or you can add a photo later if you've already taken one. Once you've done that, you simply prove to upload it to that item. And now that's going to be in your home report and in that item on the app. Excellent. So now let's select a photo. I ended up protecting my family's privacy with that dramatic effect, but you can see here that's the same water heater label. I was able to pull the item information, model number and serial number. I can double check it by pulling down that window, and I find that information, select it, and it's added to the home. Easy. Now, what about this item information? What's in here? You can go in and pull these links and see the owner's manual, the use and care guide, and access all the product dimensions and information available. I'm going to upload another item. I'm going to use my fridge this time. I'm going to pull all the way back. So there's actually 2 model numbers and 2 serial numbers on these 2 labels, which could be confusing, but the OCR is able to pick it up and I can see that it got it right. It's also loaded the manufacture date. So we're going to continue, confirm that that's the correct item, and it is, adding it to the home. And now it's in there. So let's look at what the 3 dots at the upper right do. There are a number of actions you can take here. You can preview your report. You can also open any links from your report. You can see the photos that you uploaded, see the photo of the label, and make sure that you have everything accurately captured. You can also edit the home details if you need to. This is where you can delete the home. That can't be undone, so make sure that you're sure you want to delete it before you do. You can change the home picture if you'd like. You can take a photo, or you can select a photo. And finally, you can share your home. So you type in the name, the email address. If you'd like to send a copy to yourself, you can. Once this email is sent, the recipient will be able to download the Fixle app and view the home in the app, or download the PDF report with live links. That's a demo of the Fixle app for professional users. Thanks for your time. If you have any questions, would like some help, reach out to us anytime at support@fixlehome.com.